Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Stalker 2 cost of hope game crashes at a startup, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PC. So if your game is crashing, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or freezing issue, or if you're facing any kind of black screen problem, in Stalker 2 cost of hope game, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Fix 1 is to delete or remove the mods and winmm.dll file. So delete or remove or move out the mods folder. Delete the unofficial community.pack files from the game's packs folder, as major updates often breaks old scripting modes. So go to the game installation folder, go to Steam Apps Common, Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl, Stalker 2 Content, and inside the content folder you will find the packs folder. Open the packs folder and delete the unofficial.pack files from there. So if you have any outdated mods or if you have installed any unofficial mods, then you have to delete it, and after deleting the mods, go to the Stalker 2 binaries win64 folder, and if you find this winmm.dll file, first right click it, first copy it, and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this file. Then right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now fix 2 is to verify the base game and DLC files. So make sure that both Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl and the Cost of Hope expansion files are fully installed and verified via your launcher properties menu. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl game and then click on properties. This is just an example. Then go to DLC and make sure both Heart of Chernobyl and Cost of Hope both are installed. Now go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to run the game as an administrator. So locate the main Stalker 2 win64 cpng.exe file in your installation directory and set it to always run with administrator privileges. So go to the game installation folder. So go to Steam Apps Common, Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl game folder. Open the Stalker 2 folder, binaries folder, win64 folder. Then here you will find the Stalker 2 win64 cpng.exe file. So right click on Stalker 2 win64 cpng.exe file and then select properties, then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking this exe file and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to update drivers and windows. So install the latest GPU drivers from NVIDIA or AMD and make sure your Windows OS is completely up to date. So NVIDIA users in Windows just type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Then go to the driver sections, click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button. So download and install it. Similarly, AMD users can update their graphic card drive via AMD Adrenal software. So open the AMD Adrenal software and look for graphics card driver update, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then update the Windows operating system. So open Windows settings, on the left click on Windows update, then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install all of them, and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix Stalker 2 Cost of Hope game crashing, freezing, not loading or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.